Hello student, today we have to study the LCM under the topic with numbers. Here first of all we have to know about the LCM, lowest common multiples. All of you have studied about the LCM. Today we have to study the LCM, lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple of two or more given numbers is the lowest or smallest of their common multiples. First of all, you have to find the multiples of given numbers. All of you know that multiples of any number is the product of the number and the natural number with natural number. If you want to find the multiples of any number, then you have to multiply by that number with natural or by natural numbers. Product of any number with natural number is called multiples. So first of all, in lowest common multiples of two more given numbers is the lowest or smallest their common multiples. First of all, we have to find the multiples of given numbers. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम करते क्या है, जो नंबर्स दी गई होती है उसका हम मल्टीपल्स निकालते हैं और जो उसमें कॉमन मल्टीपल्स आता है तो लोएस्ट सबसे छोटा जो कॉमन मल्टीपल्स होता है उसी को एलसीएम कहते हैं. इन दिस वे यू कैन फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ गिवन नंबर, लोएस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स. So you can say that the lowest common multiples of two or more given numbers is the lowest or the smallest of their common multiples. First of all, we have to find the multiples. So with the help of one example, we can see how to find the LCM of the given number. Find the LCM of 6 and 9. What is the LCM? Lowest common multiples. What are the lowest common multiples of 6 and 9 are more numbers. But here we have to solve with the help of example 6 and 9. So solution. First of all, we have to find the LCM of multiples of 6. So multiples of 6 is the multiples here you have to know the multiple of 6 are 6 are. First of all, you have to multiply 6 with natural number. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54. In this way you can get mean because the multiples of any number is infinite. Now you have to find the multiple of 9. Multiple of 9 are, so you have to multiply 9 with a natural number. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54, and this way you can get 3. Here we have to see the common multiples of 6 and 9. The common multiples here the number which matches in both. Here 6, 12, 18, 18. First multiple is 18. Second 24, 36, 36. Second multiple is 36. Third multiple is 54. So here we see that the common multiples of 6 and 9 are 18, 36 and 54. जो दोनों में मल्टीपल्स मिलते हैं तो यही 18 मिल रहा और 36 and 54. So common multiples of 6 and 9 are common multiple of 6 and 9 are first is 18, first is 18, second is 36, fourth is 54 are 18, 36, 54. You have with the help of I showed you, but there is no need to show you with the help of line. So, and you can get many other common multiples. Common multiples of 6 and 9 are 18, 36, 52 and other number will also you will find. Now, regarding to the lowest common multiple. What is the lowest common multiple? Lowest common multiple जो सबसे छोटा है वो क्या है 18. So the lowest common multiples of 6 and 9. Lowest common multiple of 6 and 9 is 18 because this is the lowest common multiples of 6 and 9. So LCM, so hence LCM of 6 and 9 is 80. In this way you can find the LCM, common multiples, lowest common multiples. First of all you have to find the multiples and you have to see the common multiples, and if you get many multiples of the given number, then you have to choose the lowest common multiples among the multiples. Here 18, 36, 54 and many kinds of multiples are of 6 and 9. But what is the lowest common multiples? 6 and 9 का 18. 18 is the lowest common. This is सबसे छोटा है इसलिए common multiples. तो यही LCM. In this way you can find the LCM of the given number. Now there are two methods. Common multiples. With the help of two methods, we can find the common multiples. Lowest common multiples. There are two methods. With the help of two methods, we can find the lowest common multiple. There are two methods of finding LCM. There are two methods. There are two methods of finding LCM. There are two methods of finding LCM. So with the help of two methods, first method is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Second is first prime factorization method. Second is common division method. Common division method. Here, with the help of these two methods, you can find the LCM. First is prime factorization method. Second, common division method. So first of all, we have to start prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. For prime factorization method, we have to follow many steps. You can find, you have to follow the different steps to find the prime LCM with the help of prime factorization method. First of all, what should I do? Write prime factorization of given number. What is first step? Write prime of given number. This is first step, right? Prime factorization of given numbers. Second method, what is second method? Second step is express them in exponential form. Express them. Them means factorize, all factorize them in exponential form. Exponential form. First of all, you have to find the prime factorization method of given number. After that, you have to express the factorization into exponential form. Next is to find the LCM, take the product of each prime factor. To find the LCM, third is to find the LCM. To find the LCM, take the product of each prime factor. To find the LCM, take the product of each prime factor with highest power. Prime factor with highest power. With highest power. In this way, you can find the LCM with the help of prime factorization. First of all, write the prime factorization of given number. First of all, you have to factorize the given numbers. After that, express them into exponential form. First of all, factorize करते हैं, उसके बाद उसको एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में लिख देते हैं यदि कोई नंबर रिपीट करती है तो। आफ्टर दैट टू फाइंड द एलसीएम टेक द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ईच प्राइम फैक्टर। तो जितने भी प्राइम फैक्टर होंगे उस सबका प्रोडक्ट आपको निकालना होगा। हाईएस्ट पावर, जिसका हाईएस्ट पावर रहेगा उसी का प्रोडक्ट निकाल लेंगे। कई मैच करेंगे फैक्टराइजेशन करने पे जो एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में आएगा, जो सबसे हाई होगा एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में उसी को लेकर उसको ओपन करके प्रोडक्ट कर देंगे, मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे। जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन आएगा दैट विल बी द एलसीएम ऑफ द गिवन नंबर विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड। सो टेक वन एग्जांपल, फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ 24 and 36। एग्जांपल, find the LCM of 24 and 36 by prime factorization method. Here, by following these steps, you have to find the LCM of 24 and 36. First of all, what should I do? Solution. First of all, you have to find the prime factorization. So, prime factor. Factor of 24 is equal to factorize 24 2 1 जा 2 2 जा 4 2 6 जा 12 2 3 जा 6 3 1 जा 3. So you can write factor of 24 is equal to 2 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Factorize किया. After that you have to change it in exponential form. Here there is 2 is 3. 2 is 3 so 2 raised power 3. 2 raised power 3. जब कई नंबर एक साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, एक ही नंबर को कई टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, जितने टाइम्स होता है वो पावर बन जाता है। तो 2 1 2 3 टाइम्स है तो पावर 3 into 3. Here prime factor of 36. Now we have to find the factor of 36. 36 is equal to factorize the 36. 2 1 जा 2 2 8 जा 16 2 9 जा 18 3 1 जा 3 3 1 जा 3 जा 9 3 1 जा 3. So 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. You can write here that 2 raised power 2 into 3 raised power 2. Here highest lowest common multiples. So 2 raised power 3 and 2 raised power 2. So find the LCM, take the product of each prime factor with highest power. इसमें highest power 2. What is the highest power? 2. इसमें highest power 3 है. तो highest power, here we can say that highest power Yeah, you can say that highest power LCM is equal to highest power of highest power, product of highest power, product of highest power, product of highest power, highest power. What is the highest power in 20 here? 2 raised power, the factor of 24 is 2 raised power 3 and into 3. Factor of 36 is 2 raised power 2 and 3 raised power. Here in both the power of 2 is more. So we write highest power is this. So 2 raised power 3 into the power of 3 is more. Here power of 3 is 1. Here power of 3 is 2. So we write 3 raised power 2. Now multiply both 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24, 24 3 ja 72. Here LCM is equal to 72. LCM is the product of highest power. In 24 highest power is 2 raised power 3. We merge both and take the highest power. Factor 2 is also here, factor 2 is also here. What is the highest power? 2 raised power 3. Factor 24, 3 is factor, power is 1, but 36 power is 2. So we take this highest power and this highest power. So both will be the product. 2 raised power 3 and 3 raised power 2. When we multiply 72. 72 is the LCM of 24 and 36 by the prime factorization methods. I think all of you have understood. जब भी आप फैक्टर निकालेंगे LCM दो नंबर का, तो दोनों नंबर को फैक्टराइज करेंगे. तो फैक्टर में दो नंबर के फैक्टर में पहला जो फैक्टर होगा पहले मैच करना, जो मैच करता है दोनों में उसका जो हाईएस्ट पावर होता है उसको रखते हैं. जो नहीं बचता उसमें हाई, जैसे इसमें दो 2 raised power 3 2 raised power, इसमें हाईएस्ट पावर इसका है 3. ये दोनों मैच करते हैं 3 raised power 2 या 3 raised power 1, 3 raised power 2 and multiply it to 72. In this way all of you can find the LCM with the help of prime factorization. I think all of you have understood this, and I think all of you can solve many questions of LCM by the prime factorization method. So it is sufficient for today. We will see in next video new question, that will be the second method, division method. How to find the LCM with division. Thanks for today.